Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do tonight's homework. So first you need to log into your online classroom and then click on CLB5 Evening English Class. Scroll down and click on Teacher Messages. Scroll down again. Under the discussion, choose Thursday, June 3rd, which is today's date. Now scroll down and read my message and what you need to do for today. So task 1 is on the ESL Library website. Sometimes for your homework, I will ask you to do some tasks on this website. The link for this website is in your online classroom. I have already sent you an email with your username and password to use this website. So to access the website, please go back again, scroll down, and you will see the ESL Library website. So it is on the home page of your online classroom. So when you click here, then here you need to enter your username and password. Now, I have sent you your username and password for this website before in an email. So just type them here. Okay, now you are inside the website. Here's the task that you need to do. The name of the lesson is Importance of Community. So please click here. Okay, when you do so, you see a couple of tasks here. You need to click on every one of them and then read the instructions and do what it says. So let's click on the first one, which is a warm-up video. Okay, read the instruction, watch the video, then discuss the warm-up questions. Click start. There's a video here. You can click here and watch it. And then below, there's a couple of questions. You don't have to send me the answers for these questions, but think about them and practice speaking for yourself. When you're finished, click I'm finished here. And then you click back to assignments. Click on the second task, which is vocabulary preview A. Match each word or phrase with the correct definition. Don't forget to read the instructions every time. So there are a couple of new words or some couple of words here, and then you can see their definitions here. You need to match them. So for example, let's say run out of. You have to click here. The answer is no longer have any. So you click here and then they're matched. Then you do it the same for the second word and the third word. And when you're finished, you have to click here, I'm finished, and then you click back to assignment. The third task is the same. Again, it's a vocabulary preview, and then you click on the fourth task, which is read and listen. Click here, read the instructions, click start. There's a reading here about a sense of belonging. Read the text. As you read the text, you can also click here and listen to it. This is good for pronunciation. So you can read, you can listen, you can repeat. And when you're finished, you click I'm finished. Back to assignments. The next task is a comprehension task. So you have to answer some questions about the reading you just read. You need to type your answer here. There are 6 questions. You go to the next one. Again, type your answer. Go to the next, 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 next. And finally, when you're finished with the 6th question, click on next again. You can review your answers. And when you're finished, you click submit answers. And now you go back to assignments. You have two tasks that are a review of the vocabulary that you just learned. So you click here. See how many of the words you remember. Remember, I'm just going to do one as an example. I'm just doing it in random. Okay, you click I'm finished here. Now, if you see that your score is not good, mine is 1 out of 5, which is not a good score. So you need to have at least 70% of the words correctly. If you see that it's not good, you have to click try again and then do it a second time. But if you get all of them correct, then you can go back to assignments. Now there's a listen and type exercise in which you need to, you can listen again, and then you can type the missing word here in the blank. Again, when you're finished, you click submit. You go back to assignments. The final task is called personal response. In this task, you're going to record your voice to record your answer. So click start. Please read the instruction, then click start again. All right, there's a question here. Read the question. Think about your answer. You can maybe take some notes. When you're ready, scroll down, click on this red button here and record your answer. So click here, record your answer, and then click again. And now your answer is here. If you're not happy with your answer, you can delete it and record again. But if you're happy, just click on the right arrow here and then submit your answers. So this is all the tasks that you need to do on the ESL library. And when you're finished with the ESL library, there is another task that you need to do. So you just go back to your online classroom, go back to teacher messages again, open Thursday, June 3rd, and scroll down, and then look at task 2. So this task is called a forum. In a forum, you're going to write your answers for some questions. Now, these questions are related to the first task, importance of community. They are about this lesson. So just click here, scroll down, read what you need to do, read the instructions. There are 4 questions that you need to answer. Read the questions and then scroll down and click Add a new discussion topic. In the subject, you can write your name. For example, you write, let's say, Marjan's answer. Okay? And then in the box below, you write your answers. What I suggest is that you can copy all the questions. So copy the questions, paste the questions here, and then below each one, you can write your answer. Write your answer for all questions. Remember, you're giving opinions, so you try to use phrases, appropriate phrases for giving opinions. And when you're finished, and before you click post to forum, please check the spelling, see if you have spelled all words correctly, and then click post to forum. Now, when you click post to forum, if you scroll down, you will see your answers here. You have 30 minutes to edit your answer if you like. So if you click here again on your answer, then here you will see the option for editing. So if you like to edit, you can do that. So you can just click here, go down again, maybe, I don't know, change something, for example, and then save your changes. Now, when you're finished with with your answer here, what I want you to do is to also read other students' answers and comment on them. So you need to go back to the task. So say, for example, this student has written her response and you want to give a comment. So you click here, then you read your classmate's response, and then you click reply. You can here just write a comment for your friend. So you could say if you agree with them or if you disagree with them. So you can do it like this. So you say, Marjan, I agree with this, with you on this, or I disagree with you. I think this, or I think that. Write your response, reply to your friend, and then click post to forum. Do this for 2 to 3 posts from your classmates. And then you're finished for the day. You can just log out, and voila, you're finished for the day, and you can go and have fun for the weekend. Thank you so much. Bye.